First up this evening, hundreds of Jamaicans took to the streets of the corporate area this morning to continue to register their opposition to the controversial Third Country National MOU with the USA. The protesters also used the demonstration to demand improvements in governance. Daydree Thomas reports.
Jamaica, 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 land
a land that could possibly become a place of transit or even home for third country nationals under MOU between Jamaica and the United States. For more than an hour, hundreds of protesters gathered at the busy Crossroads intersection in St. Andrew, carrying placards and demanding what they described as greater transparency and accountability from the government on key issues. Among them, the meager spend of Hurricane Melissa funds and the recent illicit enrichment investigation.
They send on the Cuban doctors and bringing in prisoners, pedophiles, thieves, rapists, all manner of evil. We not even know what nationalities they are.
The Integrity Commission is under attack. That is not right. Because who watch for us? People down there after hurricane still under tarpaulin. And you are going to find place to put criminal? That can't be right.
You said that Donald Trump has sent anything to the Prime Minister, to the people who want money, who want medication, and all of the good stuff. We don't need no prisoner because we have enough water already.
As for the deportee deal, the government has maintained that those sent from the U.S. are not criminals but illegal migrants whose claims are yet to be determined by the United States. But a member of the organizing committee of the Advocates Network, Nora Blake, says there are more questions than answers.
Do we hide our daughters? Are the women supposed to go in before it's dark? Do we know if these people have a political agenda? Will they come and destabilize our country? Are they involved in drug trafficking? Who are they? What is their record? Who is going to monitor them? How do we feel safe against these people as against the other concerns that we have for our own safety?
The agreement has also sparked concerns about Jamaica's human rights obligations.
We're violating international law. Yes, we're actually contravening the human rights, of any entity that is identified as a TCN. Okay, so that is one. What we have known of the MOUs in the 28 other countries, yes, of whom the Prime Minister referred, they are referred to as deportees. You with me? So you can't conveniently change that. Nevertheless, Mr. Rubio, yes, has indicated, yes, that we're looking at despicables.
In the meantime, the question of accountability is at the heart of other issues raised.
Dr. Wheatley has been recommended for prosecution. We're simply saying remove yourself, and if you fail to do so, then the Prime Minister should in fact remove you, yes, from the cabinet. It's as simple as that. Yes, until, yes, the investigation is done. If in fact it's brought before the courts, then the matter runs its course.
Whether the protesters' call will prompt further public discourse of the agreement remains to be seen, but this call to the government.
Simple, yes? You actually tear up that MOU. That's the first thing. You tear up the MOU. But before you even tear it up, yes, bring that to Parliament so that the Jamaican people who employ you, yes, see what it is that you have in fact, yes, taken us into.
Daydree Thomas, TVJ News.